Part 1. Once upon a time, in a small, sunny village, there lived a little rabbit named Ruby. Ruby had soft, white fur and big, curious eyes. She loved to hop around the meadows, smelling flowers and listening to birds sing. Ruby had many friends, like Benny the bluebird, Milo the mole, and Lily the little squirrel. They all played together every day and shared fun games and laughter. One sunny morning, Ruby found a shiny, golden acorn near a big oak tree. She had never seen such a bright acorn before. Ruby picked it up carefully and showed it to her friends. "Look, a golden acorn," she said. Benny flapped his wings in excitement. "Wow, Ruby, that looks very special." Milo twitched his nose. "It might be magical." Lily's eyes sparkled. "Let's keep it safe and find out what it can do." They decided to take turns caring for the golden acorn. Everyone was happy and curious, and they all felt the acorn brought them closer together. Ruby felt proud to have found something so special, but she also felt a little worried. "I hope we take good care of it," she whispered. Part 2. That afternoon, Ruby and her friends carried the golden acorn to a quiet, safe spot under the tall oak tree. They made a soft bed of moss for it. While they watched, the acorn shimmered in the sunlight. Suddenly, a gentle voice seemed to come from the acorn. "Thank you for taking care of me," it said. Ruby blinked. "Did you hear that?" she asked. Benny nodded. "Yes, it spoke." Milo whispered, "Maybe it really is magical." Lily said softly, "We must be kind and share with each other. That might be why it talks." From that day, Ruby and her friends visited the acorn every morning. They told it about their day, sang songs, and shared stories. The golden acorn always listened and sometimes glowed a little brighter. Soon, the friends noticed that the meadow around them was more lively. Flowers seemed brighter, the stream sparkled, and animals came to play. Ruby and her friends realized that caring for the acorn and being kind to one another made the whole meadow happier. Part 3. One day, a new rabbit named Rosie came to the village. She looked shy and lonely. Ruby wanted to help her feel welcome. "Hello, Rosie. Do you want to see something special?" Ruby asked. Rosie's eyes widened with curiosity. Ruby and her friends brought Rosie to the oak tree and showed her the golden acorn. "Wow," said Rosie softly. "It's beautiful." Ruby smiled. "Would you like to care for it with us?" Rosie nodded happily. From that moment, Rosie joined their little group. The friends learned that sharing the acorn made everyone feel included. They laughed, played, and helped each other. Ruby noticed that the golden acorn shone even brighter when they were kind and friendly to everyone. They realized that caring, sharing, and helping friends made life much more joyful than keeping something for themselves alone. Part 4. A week later, a storm came to the village. The wind blew hard, and rain poured from the sky. Ruby and her friends worried about the golden acorn. They hurried to the oak tree and tried to protect it from the wind and water. Ruby hugged the acorn tightly, and her friends helped cover it with leaves. The acorn glowed warmly, as if to say, "Thank you." When the storm passed, the friends looked around. Some trees had fallen, and the meadow was messy, but the golden acorn was safe. Ruby realized that taking care of something precious requires effort, courage, and teamwork. She smiled at her friends. "We did it together," she said. Benny chirped happily. "Yes, and we will always help each other." Milo nodded. "Caring is the most magical thing of all." Lily added, "And sharing makes it even stronger." The friends felt proud and thankful. They had learned a very important lesson about friendship, love, and kindness. Part 5. As the days went by, the golden acorn continued to sparkle, and the meadow became even more beautiful. Animals from other villages visited because they heard about the magical acorn and the kind friends who cared for it. Ruby and her friends always welcomed everyone with smiles and offered help. One day, a little bird said, "Your kindness is what makes the acorn magical. You don't need to do anything else." Ruby thought about it and realized that the acorn's magic was not in its golden color, but in the love, care, and sharing that she and her friends had shown. They understood that being kind and helping others created a happiness that was brighter than any treasure. The friends spent their days playing, learning, and caring for each other in the meadow. They knew that friendship was the most precious thing in the world. Part 6. Years passed, and Ruby and her friends grew a little older, but they always remembered the golden acorn and the lessons it taught them. They welcomed new friends, shared their joys, and helped anyone in need. The meadow remained a happy and safe place for everyone. The golden acorn became a symbol of kindness, love, and friendship. Whenever someone felt sad or lonely, Ruby and her friends would tell the story of the little rabbit who found a golden acorn and learned that sharing, caring, and helping friends made the world brighter. And so, Ruby, Benny, Milo, Lily, and Rosie lived happily in the sunny village, always spreading kindness wherever they went. And the golden acorn, glowing softly under the big oak tree, reminded everyone that the most magical things in life are love, friendship, and caring for others.